An adaptation is a characteristic which helps an organism to survive in its environment. Plants and animals must adapt so that they can compete for resources and live successfully in their habitat. Some adaptations can help organisms to not get eaten, hide, control body temperature, or prevent water loss. An adaptation gives an organism a better chance of surviving in its environment. A well-adapted animal is the polar bear, who has many adaptations for survival in the Arctic. Their white appearance camouflages them against snow, making it very hard for prey to spot them. They have thick layers of fat and fur to insulate them from the cold. Their fur is greasy, so it dries quickly after swimming. They have big feet to spread their weight on the ice and to increase grip. And they also have a small surface area to volume ratio to minimise heat loss. Another interesting example of an adaptation is the fur of the snowshoe hare, whose fur changes colour. It is white in the winter to hide in snow, and brown in the summer to camouflage in grass. So, all you have to remember when thinking of how organisms adapt is what the organism is competing for and what would help them to survive in their environment.